Hey everyone, welcome back to Jimmy's Garage. Today's tutorial is carbon fiber and tubing protectors. I just mounted some on my truck. I'm going to show you in a minute what they look like. So you can buy these anywhere. These will protect your tubing on any race car, street car, whatever. You get in out of an area where it's got a tube and you want to slide it over half part of the tube. This is what you got. This is the best thing that comes out, keeps it in good shape. When they go bad, just take them out, put them back in again. So what I use is this real thin. This was a little on a thick side, but if you go thinner, just cut yourself whatever edge you want, okay, the length of what you need. And you'll have like a little rough edge. You might not see it on any of these ones. And what you do is just take your thin sandpaper and just go with it like this. And we're going like this, you're just going to clean up all the rough edges. If you want to shape the bottom, you can shape these corners also the same way. Easy to clean up. Not very hard to do. Next thing is, I'm going to show you what I do. Is I just use some gray silicone, but you can use clear. And all you got to do is put a couple dabs, little spots, small spots. Okay. When you're ready to put it on the car, put it over the tubing. Grab some tape, wrap it around the tape, let it sit overnight, and I'll show you on my truck, see what it looks like when it's finished. So here's the truck. This is the same piece that we had here. If you can see it right there, that's a piece that I had left over, and that's what it looks like while it's on the car. This is for the 1 5/8, and on both sides are done. So it's tight, it's on. As you get in and out of the car, you can scratch a little bit. It's really durable. But this way you're not messing up a nice painted cage, roll bar. You can put it on anything, golf cart. If you have a golf cart that has a roll bar, go-kart for the kids, you want to protect it from getting all messed up, this is the best thing that should be put on there. It's easy. You can get by any race car shops, they do have them. Look online. You'll have plenty of places you can buy this from. Talk to you later.